Exercise 5.3, 16th question. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than the previous preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. It is given that a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes together. So here n is equal to 7 and S7 is equal to 700. And if each prize is rupees 20 less than the preceding price, that means D is equal to minus 20. So what you have to find is, find the value of each of the prizes. You have to find all the 7 terms of this AP. For this we have to use S7. S7 means 7 by 2 into 2 into A plus 6 into minus 20 is equal to 700. First we have to find A. So we can 7 by 2 into, we can take out 2 from this. So A minus 60 is equal to 700. So cancel these two. 7A minus 420 is equal to 700. So 7A is equal to 700 plus 420, which is equal to 1120. So A is equal to 1120 divided by 7. So 160 it is. But we have to find all the 7 prizes. So A is the first one. That means A1 is equal to 160. A2 is equal to A plus D, which is equal to 160 minus 20. So 140. A3 is equal to, again minus 20, it's 120. A4 is equal to 100. A5 is equal to 80. A6 is equal to 60. A7 is equal to 40. So these are the 7 terms: 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40. 17th question. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. That example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? So first class is standard 1 is planting 1 tree, but 3 sections are there, so it is 1 into 3. Standard 2, 2 plants, but 3 sections, 2 into 3, 6. Here it is 3. And so on. Class 12 will plant 12 trees and 3 sections. So 12 into 3, 36. So the AP is 3, 6, etc. 36. AP is this. What you have to find is how many trees will be planted by the students. We have to find the total number of trees planted. That means S12. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here it is better to use the other formula. So sum S12 is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. That is the easiest one. So it is equal to 12 by 2 into 3 plus 36, which is equal to 6 into 39. So that is equal to 234. Next, 18th question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers A and B, starting with center A of radii 0.5 centimeter, 1.0 centimeter, 1.5, 2 centimeter, etc. as shown in figure. What is the total length of the spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? So spiral is given. Taking the centers A and B alternately, first it is taking A and the radius is 0.5 centimeter. R2 is equal to 1.0 centimeter. R3 is equal to 1.5 centimeter. R4 is equal to 2 centimeter. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? So we need to find the length of the spiral. So that is actually the semicircle. The formula is 2 pi r by 2. 2 pi r by 2, which is equal to pi r. So the first length L1 is equal to of radius 0.5. So pi into 0.5 centimeter. Second one L2, pi into 1 centimeter. L3, pi into 1.5 centimeter, and so on. So the AP is 0.5 pi, 1 pi, 1.5 pi, etc. We need to find the sum of this. So total 13 terms are there. So S13 you have to find. Before that we need to write A is equal to 0.5 pi and D is equal to again 0.5 pi. So S13 is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to, or we need to find S13. S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into 0.5 pi plus 12 into 0.5 pi. And this we can take out these two, 2 into 0.5 pi out. So 13 by 2 into 2 into 0.5 pi and 1 plus 6. So it is equal to 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 13 into 0.5 into, instead of pi we can use 22 by 7 into 7. So 7 and 7 will be cancelled and the final answer is 13 into 11, which is equal to 143 centimeter. This is the total length of the spiral. This is the 19th question. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom, next 19, next 18 and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? So 20, 19, 18 etc. How many rows are there? That we have to find n, and how many logs are in the top row? That means we have to find an. What is given us? The AP is given as 20, 19, 18 etc. and the sum Sn is given as 200. Total 200 logs are there. So we can write this as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 200. From here we can write a is equal to 20 and d is equal to minus 1. So n by 2 into 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 200. So you can write this as n by 2 into 40 minus n plus 1 is equal to 200. So n into 41 minus n is equal to 400. So the quadratic equation is n square minus 41n plus 400 equal to 0. And when you solve, you will get this n as 25 and 16. N is equal to either 25 or 16. And we need to find, so if n is 25, the top row will be A25. If n is 16, the top row will be A16. So we have to find both. A25 is equal to A plus 24D. That means when n is equal to 25. So it is equal to 20 minus 24 is equal to minus 4. It is not possible because it cannot be negative. It's not possible. So next we have to consider the next n is equal to 16. When n is equal to 16, A16 is equal to A plus 15D, which is equal to 20 minus 15, which is equal to 5. So 5 logs are in the top row. In the top row, and number of rows is equal to 16. Then the 20th question, in a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meter from the first potato, and other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes. So first potato is keep here 5 meter, then 3 meter away, then 3 meter away, like that. So total 10 potatoes are there. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick the next potato, then runs to the bucket to drop it, and she continues in the same way till all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the distance, total distance the competitor has to run? First, from here to here. So first one is 5 meter away. So 2 times running. So it is 2 into 5 is the first one. Same way next one. Total 8 meter. So 2 times it is 2 into 8. Next it is 11 meter, 2 into 11, etc. So the AP is 10, 16, 22, etc. So the question is the total distance the competitor has to run. So 10 is the total number. So A is equal to 10, n is equal to 10 and d is equal to 16 minus 10, which is equal to 6. So you have to find S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 9 into 6. So it is 5 into 10 plus 54, which is equal to 5 into 74. So which is equal to 370 meter. This is the total distance covered by the commutator, 370 meter. Homework. Exercise 5.3, 15th question.